In 2026, rustic farm baby showers are becoming a favorite for parents who love cozy, countryside charm. The locally grown harvest theme celebrates new life with warm textures, garden elements, and wholesome farmhouse style.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What table decor fits a harvest farm theme? Use burlap runners, wooden trays, mason jars, and small pumpkins for centerpieces. Natural textures keep the tables warm and charming. Table ready? Like this if rustic elegance excites you. Why is the locally grown farm theme trending in 2026? The farm-inspired baby shower theme reflects the growing popularity of rustic, nature-focused celebrations. In 2026, people love decor that feels organic, comforting, and connected to simple country living. Love cozy farmhouse vibes? Like this, if rustic charm wins. What party favors match the locally grown theme? Seed packets, mini honey jars, or small potted herbs make thoughtful keepsakes. These favors reflect growth and new beginnings. Favors chosen? Like this, if meaningful gifts matter. What makes a farm baby shower truly memorable? The combination of cozy textures, countryside details, and heartfelt moments creates a celebration that feels warm and joyful. Feeling the charm? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What dessert table ideas work for a farm baby shower? Display pies, cupcakes, and cookies on wooden stands or vintage trays. Rustic serving pieces enhance the harvest theme beautifully. Dessert table ready? Like this if sweet details matter. What colors work best for a Harvest Farm baby shower? Warm beige, sage green, soft pumpkin orange, cream, and dusty brown create a Harvest-inspired palette. These earthy tones feel natural and welcoming for a countryside theme. Palette chosen? Like this, if warm tones feel perfect. What balloon decorations match this theme? Balloon garlands in cream, sage, and soft orange blend perfectly with harvest tones. Organic balloon shapes keep the display modern. Balloon setup planned? Like this, if soft clusters shine. What activities fit a farm-themed baby shower? Guests can guess the baby's birthday, decorate mini pumpkins, or write advice cards. Simple games keep the celebration relaxed and fun. Activities planned? Like this if interactive fun wins. How do I add farm elements without overdoing it? Focus on subtle accents like wooden crates, small tractors, or greenery. Simple details. Create the farm atmosphere without cluttering the space. Balanced decor? Like this if simple style wins. How can I make this theme feel modern in 2026? Use muted color palettes, minimal decorations, and organic balloon shapes. Clean. Styling refreshes the classic farmhouse look. Modern, rustic approved? Like this if balance wins. How can I create a farm-style welcome area? Use a wooden, locally grown baby welcome sign surrounded by hay bales, pumpkins, and potted plants. Rustic elements introduce the theme instantly. Entrance styled? Like this if first impressions matter. Can this theme work for outdoor baby showers? Absolutely. Farms, gardens, or backyard spaces enhance the rustic setting naturally. Outdoor locations make the theme feel authentic. Outdoor ready? Like this, if fresh air celebrations win. A locally grown farm baby shower in 2026 blends rustic harvest beauty with heartfelt celebration. With warm colors, natural textures, and thoughtful details, you create a cozy event guests will always remember. Loved these farm baby shower ideas? Like and come back for more 2026 celebration.